Radish microgreens are easy to grow and they add a delicious taste to your salad. I'm using empty plastic containers that had tomatoes in them. These plastic containers have holes in the bottom for the tomatoes to breathe, so you'll need to lay down a layer of paper towels so the soil doesn't fall through these holes. And now add a layer of soil. These containers are small enough that you can easily take these travelling with you in your caravan or RV. It's a good way to grow plants on the road. The soil I'm using is coconut coir because it's fine and lightweight. I got it from Bunnings. You just throw the coconut coir brick into a bucket with water and then it slowly breaks down over 2 hours into the water. And then you'll have a nice moist coconut soil to use. I'm using China Rose Radish Microgreens for one container, and the other container is daikon radish. Both were purchased from King Seeds. You can cover the seeds with a thin layer of coir if you prefer, or just sprinkle the seeds on the top like I'm doing. And then spray it with water. I checked them every day and sprayed them with more water. Within 2 days they'll be sprouting. The China Rose radish grew faster than the daikon radish, so if you're looking for a fast growing microgreen, then I'd buy that one. After about 5 or 6 days, they're tall enough and they're ready to cut with scissors to add to my salad. Just note that the speed of the growth is obviously going to vary depending on the warmth and light. Because it's summer, these were quite fast growing. These add a delicious radish taste to my salads. Happy travels!